Hey, this is Shadrack Biwot, founder Sedi Digital Limited, and your friendly neighbor, digital marketing strategist. Today we are talking about something that might offend your cousin who runs a WhatsApp-only business. Why your website is not optional. Yes, I said it. If your business doesn't have a website, you're basically showing up to a marathon in slippers. Let's fix that, shall we? Now, in this module of Digital Marketing for Business Owners course, we are diving into why your website is a must-have of your online presence. It's not just a nice to have. It's your digital headquarters, your 24 hours sell person, and your credibility passport. Without it, most of the fancy strategies we will explore in this course are like fireworks in daylight, invisible and kinda pointless. Let's get real for a second. Your website is your digital brochure, your Google-friendly storefront, and your best employee because it works nights, weekends, and holidays without complaining or asking for tea breaks. Imagine searching for a service and 3 businesses pop up. One has a sleek website, another has a basic one, and the last one just has a phone and a blurry logo from 2 or 4. Who are you calling? Not the phone number guy. That's how your customers think too. So let's break down how you get your website up without breaking your brain. Step number 1, domain name. Your domain is your web address, your plot on the internet. It should be easy to spell, short, and not look like a Wi-Fi password. No one wants to type in. Step number 2, hosting. Think of hosting as rent. It's where your website lives. Your domain is the street address. Hosting is the actual building. Don't worry, hosting services today are easier than assembling a plastic chair. Step number 3, website platform. Now comes the fun part, building. If you want a simple, solid, and cost-effective solution, go to WordPress. Seriously, if you can use Microsoft Word, you can build a WordPress page. Plus, we've linked a step-by-step beginner guide in the description. Want to sell products? Go for Shopify, BigCommerce, or just add WooCommerce to WordPress. Your website doesn't have to win the design awards, but it should look like it was designed by a sleepy intern in 2010 either. There are tons of free and paid themes out there that make your site look like $1 million without spending $1 million. Want something unique? Hire a designer. It's like giving your brand a tailored suit instead of a hand-me-down. Bonus tip, make sure it looks amazing on both desktop and mobile because your customers are scrolling from the toilet. Yes, I said it. Once your site looks good, it's time to add the meat. What do? Why should people trust you? How can they contact you or buy from you? Include high quality images, short and punchy copy, and clear calls to action like call now or request a quote. And if writing a copy makes you cry a little inside, don't worry. Our team at Sedi Digital can write conversion optimized content for you. Links in the lesson notes. Once your site is live, don't just sit back like it's done. You need Google Analytics to know if your site is actually working. It shows you who visited your site, what they clicked, how long they stayed, and whether they converted or bounced like a scared cat. Install it using a plugin or manually, just don't skip it. It's how you measure success. We've linked a super easy guide in the description. Alright, so now you know why our website is crucial, how to set it up without melting your brain, and how to track if it's working. If you already have a site, awesome. If not, now it's time to build it like your business depends on it, because it kinda does. Next up, we dive into email marketing, the unsung hero of sales. Ready for a quiz? Head over to Sedi Digital Limited and claim your badge of honor and bragging rights. Questions? Hit me up on Twitter at Sedi Limited or leave a comment below. Like, subscribe, and share this with that one business friend who still thinks Facebook page is enough. See you in the next lesson. Let's build something amazing. Thanks for watching.